Wow, thanks for being in once again. There is Kisii FM Radio and Kisii FM Digital, and today we are here at Kisii School where farmers have really come in huge numbers to be taught on the advantages or the goodness of maintaining their farms and getting the fertilizers that they need, because we've seen in current occasions whereby the soils have really emerged with being acidic and thus leading into poor maybe having low yields in general. And today here we have an official who is going to speak to us, and as you can see behind me, many farmers have really shown up in huge numbers. They're coming in, they're registering from the first tent, which is on my far north side from here. And as you can see, various partnerships are here at Kisii School grounds and making sure that they are teaching the farmers on the importance of the maintaining soil generally, and the kind of fertilizers or manures that they can be using to improve their yields. And with me here today, I have a guest who I have just met here, and he's going to tell us his name. He's going to tell us what is he doing here today and the kind of partnership that they have here today, and generally giving the farmers the basic education on how to maintain their soils. And maybe in a short while, after the cameraman is showing you the kind of look that we have here at Kisii School grounds, there is the exact picture, and farmers seem to be incoming. They are not yet over in joining the rest who already arrived early in the morning. And as you can see also the other right hand of my side, as I told you earlier, there are so many partners that are here today in just making sure that the whole objective is achieved today. Welcome to our visitor. As I told you earlier, we have a visitor here. He's going to introduce himself. He tell us his name and what is he doing here today. Welcome, and first tell us your name.
Thank you very much. My name is Paul Niven and I am with the organisation called URUS. We are actually focused on animal genetics. So we are promoting the importance of artificial breeding for cows to bring in new breeds and better cows so that the farmers here can improve their milk production and make more money.
Wow, that's amazing. Maybe what big difference is there, the artificial cows that you're saying, the breeds from the artificial and the natural ones? Which difference is there?
Yeah, so there's two important differences. The first difference is that we bring in genetics from America and North America and South America. And our dairy cows in North America will produce 40 litres of milk per day, and the average cow in this area is only producing 5. So if we take the average of those two, we can get animals that are over 20 litres of milk per day, which is going to be far better for the farmer. The second thing, as different from the natural mating, is that we stop inbreeding. So the biggest problem with using the local bull is that he might also be breeding with his daughters or his nieces and other family members. So that creates big problems in terms of genetic improvement. So the artificial insemination allows far better genetics, but also stops the negative impact of inbreeding.
Wow. And maybe so far from the research you've done, do you think the breed from the artificial that is majorly, as you said, it is in America, do you think the climate here is favorable for the breed?
Yeah, that is a very good question. So for this environment, we have many other countries in the world, even in the south of America, like Florida, that is very hot, that is similar to the environment here. But we definitely know that there are even hotter environments, and that's where we use a breed called Guialando, which comes from Brazil. So it is specially designed to be tick resistant and handle the heat. So that is a specific breed that our company will be importing later this year and next year.
Wow, amazing. And maybe to ask you also, what kind of an encounter have you made? The farmers from here, this local area, this Kisii County, have they agreed that this breed is going to bring them good? I mean, what kind of things that are you using to convince them that this is the right breed and not the previous one that they have been using?
Yeah, so there are already some Geolando here in Kenya, up on the coast in the north, and those farmers have already seen those advantages of the Geolando. So we look forward to working with more farmers and getting more evidence that these are appropriate and suitable to this area.
Wow, wow, wow. And you say that the breed normally produces up to 40 liters of milk. And here in Kenya, we have seen some breeds, they do produce maybe 2 liters per day, or up to 5 liters to some local farmers from the small scale. Do you think that this artificial breed is going to incur the farmers more cost because maybe the feeds of the animals, are they not expensive compared to the natural that the farmers have been using before?
That is a very good question, and what every cow or every human needs is a certain amount of energy for maintenance, just for living. But then the extra food goes into making extra milk. So every cow will always eat a certain amount, but by having these higher producing cows, the marginal cost to produce milk will be a lot lower. So if a cow goes from making 5 litres of milk to 10 litres of milk, it will cost a little bit more for food, but not twice as much. And that's really where the farmers will make the money.
Wow, that is amazing. And apart from Kisii County, have you approached other counties? And if you have, what is the impact? How have they taken the breed? Have they accepted it, or you are yet to move to other counties?
Yeah, so in the Rift Valley and Mount Kenya region, they have already adopted these breeds, and they are seeing very good production from their cows. So in the Kisii County there is a little bit, but this is why we are here today, and we were here back in May at another field day in Kisii region, and also having very good and productive discussions with the local farmers.
Wow, thank you for your time, really. You have been of great help. At least the viewers will get to understand more of this breed, that it is more productive than the natural that they have been using before. Thank you very much. That is it for now from Kisii School Grounds. Until we meet again, I will be continuing to update you on the same, on what is going on. Reporting for Kisii FM Radio and Kisii FM Digital, my name is Bevan Omari.